everyone, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel Kato's Tubes. I'm your host Pars and today I'm going to talk about Flipkart promotions. Okay, so there are people who are asking questions regarding I can list products on Flipkart, but how can I make sales on Flipkart? So today I'm going to tell you about how to run a campaign on Flipkart, how to drive sales if you're selling okay, how to make it great, good to great sales. So there are various tools and tactics that you can use on Flipkart to drive sales for your product. It doesn't matter if you're a new seller or an old one. All you need to do how to play the advertising game on Flipkart. By the end of the video, you will learn how to advertise on Flipkart. What are the promotional tools that you can use? What are the taxes that you can apply? What are the must-have promotions that you must obtain to drive sales of Flipkart? So let's get started. So first we need to go to seller.flipkart. So this is the back end of seller portal. As you can see, there are many options here: home, listings, order, returns, payments, performance, Flipkart fulfillment, promotions, and advertising. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how the advertising thing or the promotion thing works on Flipkart. There are many ways you can promote or advertise your products on Flipkart. So here are the last two tabs in which you can see. One is promotions. You can see my promotions, my freebie, Flipkart promotions are one of them, and advertising is the other one. So first I'm going to take you through a step by step. First I'm going to talk about Flipkart promotions. What are they? My freebies. What are they? My promotion, how they works, and advertising, how this works. So first I'm going to take you through Flipkart promotions. So as you can see, Flipkart promotions are nothing but the offers which are being told by Flipkart to the seller, or which are ran by Flipkart itself. So as you can see, there are many offers. You can see combo offer extra 10% off on 2000 rupees, 15% off on 3000. Likewise, they have many offers. These are the campaign which are initiated by Flipkart, but they are actually run by sellers. The discount share you can see here, extra discount in this particular offer is 10%, depending upon the condition, 10 to 15%. And this discount share means that it's the seller who has to pay the discount amount, or the Flipkart. Okay. Similarly, you have a lot of offers here, like you can see here, extra 5% off on wallet belts. It's like deal of the day for tomorrow. 5% off, in which if I opt in as a seller, I have to give 5% discount, which is actually 100% of the total discount part that I will pay. So these are one of them. And this is the opt-in tab, in which, like, for example, I have opted in for this kind of offers. You can see here I have opted in for 10% discount using HDFC Bank credit cards. But when the person buy from HDFC Bank credit card, I don't have to take any cut or give any discount from my side. So here discount share is 0%. Similarly, there are many offers you can take part in. I will directly take you through one of the example. I will let you know how this thing works and how even you as a seller can opt in, or any new onboard seller can benefit from this. So let me take you through the deal of the day. Extra 5% off on wallet belt for 12th of March. I just click it up, and there are many words here. You can see eligible listings to download. So first of all, you need to check what are the listings they are offering you to get the campaign running. So these are the listing IDs, and these are my SKU IDs. SKU ID nothing but the product's name that you gave yourself. Listing IDs are the IDs related to the SKU IDs. So there are belts in which Flipkart is telling me I can run this campaign on and wallets also. So I just do one thing. I just track it down and copy it. Once I copied it out, I go to discount calculation first. So you can see, if I have MRP of 1100, okay, Flipkart selling price of 1000 rupees, 5% will be 50 rupees. So price to customer is, this is example, just an example. So Flipkart is not paying any extra discount commission for the sale. It's us as we, like, it's me as a seller who will be giving the discount from my end. So that's the discount calculation. Now you download a sample CSV file format. Once you download the sample CSV file format, you paste the listing you want to run the campaign on, just save it, and then you just upload. click the upload button, and I think this is the one. Open it. So it's uploading. Yes, so 9 of the 9 listing has been validated by Flipkart. So now I can actually opt in and checkbox. I've read the condition, accept it. So my listing has been accepted by Flipkart. So this deal will run tomorrow and it's part of the deal of the day. My products will be highlighted and it will be part of the campaign which will run tomorrow by Flipkart since I have opted in. So I can check here, go to Flipkart promotions, go to opted in. See, here it is. I opted in for this particular offer. So you can opt in or opt out at any point of time. You have opt out button once you opt in. And even if you want to, exclude some listing from this campaign, you can actually do that by clicking on remove listings IDs from promotions. It's a very easy process to understand. And second is called as my freebies. So my freebie is nothing but the campaign that you run in which you are giving additional product as a freebie along with your current product. Let me take you through Flipkart to show you an example. So I'm running a freebie campaign on one of my brand called as Jack Holt jeans. So this is one of them. As you can see, I'm running a campaign like anyone who buys a product from me will get a freebie of Radiator Men Casual, which you can actually see there. Here I'm running this campaign. So this is from my side. I'm giving this as a freebie to anyone who purchase this jeans from me. Okay, and the condition for running a freebie is that your product should be the freebie product should be listed on the Flipkart website to attach it as a as a freebie to the other product, the main product. So I think if you can search radiator belts for men. So this is the freebie I'm giving along with my Jack Hole jeans. I have to add this in the listing before I actually give as a freebie to this. So once it's done, I ran a campaign in which I am giving this as a freebie. I selected my Jack Hole jeans as the main product and belt radiator belt as a freebie product. So this is one of the very good way to market your products in Flipkart because customers not only getting the discounts but also getting the additional offers. So my both the brands are getting promoted. Jack Hole is selling and Radiator is selling, and side by side, it's kind of increasing the visibility of the product than just increasing the profits. It's more for the visibility. So next is my promotions. This is the new tab, or you can say the new promotional tool, which is started by Flipkart few days back. So it is nothing but you give individual discount to the selected SKUs or selected products that you want from your end. Click a create promotions tab. Okay, if you have already Excel of listings, you can directly upload the listing, or either you can do from here. Let's say I have a belt which I want to give discount to the people. My brand is Radiator, and let's say my price range between 500 to 1000. I downloaded my eligible listings. So this is my eligible listing for the belt. I just copy it out. Okay, once I copy it, again the process is same. I downloaded in a sample CSV file, which is this. I did that. I saved it. Okay, now I need to upload my listings. See, the file is uploaded successfully. This can be 6 by 6 listing IDs. So my belts 6 listing IDs have been uploaded successfully. I name it let's Radiator belt promo. Radiator promo, I can say Radiator promo. So I'm running this. I select the duration, let's say for a week. Let me run it from 12th to 18th. I'm giving an extra discount of 10%. Okay, so the promotion has been created. The campaign will be checked by Flipkart, and once it's get cleared, it will start running from 12th of March, which is tomorrow, and today's 11th. And once it's done, it will run for 1 week. So this is a discount from my side. I'm giving it. It's not. It will not help your product to rank above, but when anyone search for your product, he or she will see the discount that you can giving as extra, in addition to other discounts that are already running on your products. You can always check the detail here. So this is all about promotions from Flipkart, and the main one people should know is advertising part. So this is the one which actually help you get the visibility of your products on Flipkart at a good rate. You can see I have ran some campaigns which spend of 7,000 rupees and generated a revenue of around 78,000 INR rupees, which is the return of investors 10.5, and which is quite decent. I've run a lot of campaigns here. I'm still running them. Some of them I have paused or something. So this is one of the very good way to run a campaign of products which you think has a more potential and which can sell well if they have a good visibility on Flipkart. And also these are also good for products who are actually selling good and you want to increase their sales. So there's nothing but you need to create a campaign. In the advertising, either you can use the recommended SKU or select product manually. So I'm just taking you through the example. Just let's say add promos my example. I'm choosing, let's say, one of the products listing. Let's say I'm just randomly selecting it. Let's say I selected this list and I want to select this 10 products. I review my selected products and go to the next step. Okay, so this is the campaign duration, how much I want to run it for. Let's say I want to run it for 1 week. So this is there. The timing is this. I select OK. Campaign budget should be minimum 1,000. If you have budget of less than 1,000, it won't allow you to run the campaign. So at least have a budget of 1,000 rupees. Okay. Either you can divide the budget equally or depending upon till the budget exhausts. So maybe for 1 week either you can do, or maybe till budget ends 1,000. Okay, so that's it. So these are the particular ad groups which the part of which it will include among the selected these campaigns. I just go to next step, and here it will show me summary of my campaign. The total budget is 1,000, payable is 1,000. My wallet is not filled, so I will like pay and create campaign. I need to top up wallet. So this wallet money, if you can see the 1,000 rupees, it will be deducted from your Flipkart payment amount. The Flipkart which is about to pay you for the sales. If you put this continue, the Flipkart will cut the amount from you, the payment that Flipkart will give it to you, and that payment will goes in running your campaign. So once you click the continue button, your campaign will start running here. I will show you this like this here, and you can definitely this is a draft that I will delete later. You can definitely click this, check your listing. Like this is one of the campaign which I drove sale from a track pants. This ad spent by 477 rupees. Revenue is 1398, and this is all the data you will get in one single go when the campaign ends. Okay, so this is all about it. I think promotions tab is very clear. Advertising here. So advertising basically for highlighting the products, getting the visibility done, and this is more valuable in driving sales. And promotions also give you a lot of exposure to your products in terms of sales by giving extra discount from your end, like my freebies and my promotions. And opting in for Flipkart promotion, I will recommend always opt in for Flipkart promotion if you have good margins, or you want to drive your top line. So Flipkart promotion is one of the best tools, and these two are the main part for driving the sales and increasing sales for on Flipkart. There may be more tools which Flipkart would add in future depending upon the quality of seller is there, either it's a bronze, silver or gold. And there are many more ways this tabs will get updated in coming time. So stay tuned. If there are any updates will come, I will update it on my channel itself. Now going back to the main camera and just that's all about the video, guys. Hope you get the proper knowledge about the Flipkart advertising and promotional part. Hope you understood how to run a campaign properly, which campaigns to obtain and which promotions to opt out. Hope you guys understand and hope you apply in your regular sales, and it will surely. And slowly will drive sales for your product, and in the long run you will get more revenue out of it. It's all about mix and match game, which product you want to advertise, which product you want to give more discounts, which promotions you want to obtain, which promotion you want to opt out. So big game, but in the long run you will be successful seller if you follow these tools, or apply these tools in your sales strategy. So if you have any question regarding the advertising and promotion part, just drop a comment below, and I will be the swift one to respond to you at the earliest. So that's all about. Hope you have a good day. Wish you a good sales, and keep doing well. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.